Welcome to your self-care studio. We'll start with low-impact moves to get your joint oil flowing, then build balance and strength with optional weights, and finish with a healing stretch to release tension and improve mobility. Do your body good and subscribe so we can keep building freedom of movement together. Into the joint oil march. Easy march. Let your arms swing naturally as we warm up and get your synovial lubricant flowing to your joints.
You're doing more than just moving. You're practicing functional training. Think of this as physical medicine for your joints and muscles. Every rep is a step toward a stronger you.
Quick posture check. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, core gently engaged, and eyes forward. Into toe to heel roll. Roll through your feet, toe to heel. Wake up your ankles.
Step in place, feel the rhythm flow. Wake it up, feel the glow. Ankles, knees, let it glide. Little motion, big change inside. We don't rush, we don't strain. Just ease into the game. Every step you take today is healing in a positive way. We're stepping to better health, moving smooth, feeling well. Joint by joint we align, one small step at a time. We're stepping, feel the glow, circulation.
Into crossbody. Reach and walk. So walk forward and walk it back.
Happy heart.
And your hands are going in and out. You're really pumping that blood to your heart, and that will help your joints.
This is how
So your hands are going open, close, open, close.
joints let 'em shine. Your body's built to feel this fine. No more stuck, no more tight. We're bringing motion back to life. Every march, every sway, you're getting better day by day. We're stepping to better health, moving smooth, feeling well. Joint by joint we align, one small step at a time. We're stepping.
Into a forward and back step. Small step forward, controlled movement. Abdomen is engaged and your glutes are contracted to protect your back.
The morning light is breaking through the haze. A brand new rhythm for these golden days. It's not about the struggle or the climb. It's finding power in a moment's time. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh. Feel the flow, let the healing start. A steady beat inside a fearless heart. Stronger now with every breath you take. Yeah.
And bring your heels towards your glutes. Make sure your glutes are contracted. Stay tall to support your knees and contract your abdominal muscles. Now, if you want to work on your balance, you can do a little turn, but it's perfectly okay. Keep your hips forward like this.
Feet on the ground, you're feeling strong. Every step says I belong. Energy rising, breath is clear. Your power shows up when you're here. This is your rhythm.
into your hip strength lift. Now lift your leg to the side, but you really control the lowering. Spine is upright and breathe. Never hold your breath.
Feeling strong. Every step says I belong. Energy rise and breath is clear. Your power shows up when you're here. This is your rhythm, this is your pace. Strength and vitality written on your face. You're moving forward, proud and free. One strong step, this is your energy. Keep it going smooth and steady. You are capable. You are ready.
Into your flow walk. All right, your abdominal muscles are engaged. And make sure you keep on breathing though. Inhale through your nose.
Step in the rhythm.
Stretch. Exhale. And you keep that going.
One move at a time. Step in the rhythm, you're doing so fine. We're reaching the goal, one move at a time. Stay on track, get your health back now. Just feel the vibe and you'll show them how. Your H2O reset is coming up next. Just let it flow, put your strength to the test. Coming up next is your H2O. Feel the vibe and let it flow.
Time for our H2O reset. Healthiest blessings. Has a song from our workout motivated you today? Let me know in the comments. Now it's time to make one day longer, one day stronger. So grab your weights if you're using them and let's get started. Into your power walk. Tighten up your abdominal muscles, tighten up your buttocks and your quadriceps to protect your knees.
Right here, right now. Radiant and steady. I found my tempo now. One foot in the other. The rhythm's in my soul. Moving with a purpose. I'm taking back control. From the earth to the sky. Feel the power rise. The fire's waking up. I see it in my eyes. Toe, ball, heel. Find that perfect stride. Vitality and grace. Flowing deep inside. No looking back. The path is clear and wide. With every single...
Slow it down. Your heart and circulation need a moment to adjust. Stopping abruptly can cause dizziness or fainting.
Optional weights are in hand and we're doing a knee drive. So bring your knee up and down with control.
Strike my sonic once and migrant. Yes, of course, forward, backwards, side to side, I grow. This is my time, my body, my flow. Hold it steady, breathe and let go. Every movement makes me stronger. Balance life, balance me. Walking free, endlessly. Rise, step, find your way. Strong today. Rise, step, find your way. Strong today.
Into calf raises with optional weights. All right, so lift up and down. Lift the heels, slow on the way down. Feel that controlled precision loading, making your muscles strong and steady.
To increase your balance, spot something straight ahead and look at that. As you rise up and down.
Moving with the rhythm, steady and slow, sinking to the strength that you're always held. Every single doubt is now dispelled. Low with grace. grace and rise with power. This is your moment, this is your hour. Joint by joint, we're coming alive. Built to flourish, born to thrive. 3 counts down, find your flow. 2 counts up, watch the energy grow. From the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. Feel the power in every beat. Strong, steady.
Into your recovery walk. So you're just walking, slow pace, reset your breath. And now let's add your arms. Inhale, exhale.
Strong, steady. Rooted deep, feel the earth below. Rooted deep, oh, do 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 do. Rooted deep, feel the earth below.
Into flowing leg stretch. So your hands will go up, inhale, and now look up. Exhale. And keep that going. Switch to your other leg.
Exhale the weight of strife. Quiet the mind, let the body be still. Moving with grace, guided by will. Let it go.
Into your chest opener. So first, wrap your hands around you like you're giving yourself a hug. Inhale, exhale, and open up your arms, opening up your chest. And keep it going.
Then sinking deep, the promises to yourself you keep.
Exhale. Palms together for prayer pose. So raise your arms all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, bringing your hands right back here at your heart. This is really good for your shoulders.
Bring your palms together, center and still. A prayer for the body, a quieted will, lifting up slowly. Let the stiffness release, reaching for light, finding your peace.
Feeling great, moving better, and ready to take on your day. That's what functional fitness does. Thank you for taking time to be with a very important person, you. Share this with somebody else who will benefit. Until then, I'm Suzanne Andrews, and I'll see you on the next Functional Fitness Workout.